I literally bought the place and bought the boat all within 1 month. I knew this is the place I wanted to be when it comes to boating. Well, I came from a wake surf boat that I had out in Colorado, and it's definitely too small of a boat for this lake. So the center console was the move. It's a great blend of performance and then also having that family aspect with our kids and everything like that. Brad, Ryan, Jeremy, the entire Performance Boat Center crew, I can't say enough great things about them. It's definitely a great family to be a part of, and it's just a great time.